Okay, so we just loaded in over 800 buildings, fiber lit buildings from a new carrier, Finger Lake Technologies Group out of upstate New York. And so what I'm going to do is just show how we can search for sites that are served by Finger Lake Technologies. And in this case, I'm going to hit 16 Park Street, Alfred, New York, which I just happen to know that Finger Lakes serves Alfred. So we're basically going to take a look at this site, and what we'll see here is that again we geocoded it. We got back the full address returned to us. We see that yes indeed Finger Lake Technologies Group did show up here, and if I wanted to I could go here and click to research, and I could see a list of carrier contacts. In this case I see the website, our carrier contact, and a price support desk. I'm going to click back a couple times here, and now I'm going to look at view fiber lit buildings sorted by distance. And basically this is going to do a search radius. It starts off within 1 mile. So what we're going to do is we're going to see the location that we started with was 16 Park Street, and we would see visually, we could see the nearest site is Finger Lake Technologies, 1 Park Street, Alfred, New York. If we wanted to just get a list of the buildings, we could see the buildings here, and it looks like Time Warner Cable also has some here. So if I wanted just to filter out Finger Lakes plus the original address, I could do this and just show just the Finger Lakes sites. And another new thing that we put in is if we wanted to increase the search radius, we've got a little toggle button here. So sometimes it's helpful to just pop it up, and I'll just go ahead and go up to our max, which is basically 10 miles. Oops. I'm going to click to refresh. Now we see the search radius is now 10, and we would, well, we're not actually seeing a whole lot more because I think they're all just within that radius, but if there were more, we would have seen more pop up. Okay, so now let's just say we go back to our summary. Let's see, we got our click to research. I'm going to go back home. I'm just going to show how you can also use the lit building search tool to see what sites Finger Lakes has. I'm just going to go ahead and pull up in this case, just because I know it's a local based, we would see that we did find 830 buildings, and this lets us display up to 100 buildings at a time and do a map view, and we could kind of get an idea here where their sites are. And we see that it's definitely upstate New York and so on. So there you go. Another new carrier into Carrier Finder, and fully supported by us. So hope you enjoyed the short video, and just keep on searching.